Greetings everybody and welcome to another episode of the Royal Gains. Hey. Yo, this episode gonna be about people trying to like people trying to lose weight, and one thing that kills me, I applaud folks for, attempting, I applaud folks for, going to the gym and getting what they believe a workout is in. But if you trying to lose weight, your quickest way on that path of weight loss that you on, your quickest way is not going to be going to the gym and getting on no damn treadmill. Let me tell you that right now. Your fastest way is not going to be going to a track and sprinting or running some laps or doing this, that, and the third. That stuff can be additional to, your weight loss goals or whatnot. But your ass needs to be lifting weights. You can freaking... If I take two people, and I might do this, if I can just find two people to experiment with that's willing to take on my stuff. If you take two people, and if you take person A is going to be your treadmill track guy, and or woman. So person A is going to be running the treadmill and track. Person B is going to be lifting weights. Person A and let's take 4 weeks for example. Person A in 4 weeks is going to lose 4 pounds. That's the track guy. Person B at 4 weeks is going to lose up to 10 pounds, I would say, from weightlifting. Y'all, weightlifting is not what you think it is. Weightlifting is not all about, bodybuilding or going to compete or, looking buff. That's not what weightlifting is about. These weights were put here on earth in order to keep our bodies fit. Running is great if you're a runner. If you do something like marathons or something like that, then go ahead, run, get your cardio up. But if you're just trying to lose weight, that running, you don't need to really run. Get your ass in the gym, get on a full body workout plan, and lose that damn weight. So treadmills, there is no treadmills in my plans. I will never suggest anybody to get on a treadmill or anything like that, because to me it's a big ass expensive piece of equipment that ain't worth a damn. Let me tell you that. When it just comes to by itself, that's very deceiving. Those treadmills in the gym, that's very deceiving. I get on the treadmill when I warm up, and I get on the treadmill to boost my recovery. I get on that treadmill for 10 minutes sometimes before I start lifting, if everything feels tight, in order to get my blood flowing and blood circulating so I can go punch out some weights. And afterwards, if like my back is real tense, I'm real sore, my hamstrings are, I get on that treadmill after for about 30 minutes to start my recovery process before I even walk out that gym. That's the purpose of treadmills. It's very deceiving, and I want everybody to listen to me. I'm not asking anybody to get anything from me, but at least I'm asking y'all just to try to lift some weights on your own. Just give it 4 weeks and just see what it does. Because the thing is, a lot of my clients that I put on this stuff, they don't immediately lose weight. But especially the females that I work with, their body just starts to shape up. And they even be saying it like, Trey, damn, I really didn't lose no weight, but I just look better. That's because, that weight is really supposed to, man, just stay away from them treadmills, man. Stay away from them treadmills. Minimally use treadmills and start lifting some weights, and I guarantee you'll get better results than what you're getting now. Thank y'all for listening to another episode of Royal Gains, and I look forward to giving y'all some more fitness tips, some more fitness advice, and changing some lives. Thank you for watching.